In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify apps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right apps, explore categories, and open the app pages where installation happens. Start on your Shopify admin homepage. From here, head to your apps area and click Add to open the app options. Choose Shopify App Store to launch Shopify's official marketplace. This is where you'll discover trusted tools for marketing, sales, design, and more. On the App Store home, check out Popular with stores like yours. This section surfaces recommendations tailored to your business type, which is a great shortcut if you're not sure where to begin. As an example, select the TikTok app from those recommendations to open its listing. On an app page like this, you can review features, pricing, developer info, permissions, and support resources. If you want a second look, you can open TikTok again from its tile to compare details such as screenshots and recent updates. Next, return to the main App Store view and click Browse Apps to see the full directory. From the categories, open Sales Channels to explore ways to sell on social platforms and marketplaces. Then explore other categories to round out your toolkit. Selling products for product sourcing and management, store design for themes and visual enhancements, and store management for operations, analytics, and automation. If you need to reset your view, click Browse Apps again. You'll notice Shopify often routes you back to sales channels from multiple entry points, so don't worry if you find yourself clicking into sales channels several times while exploring. It's a common path when you're focusing on social commerce options. When you're ready to search directly, go to the Sales Channels area and use the search bar. Start typing Facebook and Instagram. As the autocomplete suggests results, select the Facebook and Instagram option. That will open a results page. Click Facebook and Instagram again to open its dedicated app listing. On any app listing page, this is where installation takes place, along with permission requests and any pricing confirmation. Before proceeding, take a moment to scan the ratings, number of reviews, and the developer's profile. Check compatibility notes, what data the app needs access to, and whether there's a free plan or trial. If you're testing multiple tools, consider installing one at a time and monitoring your store's performance to avoid conflicts. Keep your theme and other apps updated, and only keep the apps you truly use to maintain speed and reliability. That's it. Navigating the Shopify App Store, exploring categories, and opening the exact app pages you need so you can confidently move forward